This is Paul. Yes. The colony forming unit. Looking at the World Health Organization's definition of the acronyms, yeah, I found that interesting. A colony forming unit. It sounds like the ant colonies. Yes. At one point somebody thought they were the queen bee, but really the queen ant. Yes. We were all worker bees. And when you look at the ant colony, yeah, there are certain individual belligerents, I'd call them, that thought, well, I'm just here to come the money and you're just going to service me because I don't have any obligation to the actual citizens of the United States. And the citizens are just workers. They're there to get the food, yes, and build the colony. Now, when you use this colony forming unit known as the queen ant, that all she does is give birth to what could be clones. Yeah. I don't know how many women were told that what they're doing is so important that they should sell their ovas. Yeah. But I know that this whole idea that that's one of mine and that's one of mine and that's one of mine and somebody had a technology where they could just put a needle in the ovaries of women. Yeah. And they have 300,000 or 400,000 eggs in there. Where you're paid, maybe a few $1,000s for a few extra eggs because you have quite a few. I had read a study about menopause. Yes. And just looking at a simple calculator, yes. If you used 12 eggs a year, and from the time that you're, well, approximately, let's say 13 to 53, 40 years, times 40, yeah. That equals 480 actual eggs from your ovaries. Yeah. 12, one a month. Yeah. 12 a year times 40 years is 480. Now, for some reason, the actual body of a woman, yeah, has approximately 400,000 eggs at the time of, well, at the time of birth, but at the time of them beginning their menstruation. Yeah. Minus 480 of them. That leaves approximately 399,520 of them that could be saleable. Yes, yes, yes. Now, this ant concept right now. Oh, yeah. See, those in the family, they think I have a lot of them. And if you just paid me $1,000 an egg, yeah. I'd be rich. I'd have like 399 million. $520,000. Pooch. Now, I know that you're making these lookalikes using a special type of sperm from the family. Yes, he is. But for every woman that thought, I'm just going to sell an egg and that'll solve my problem since I have an additional 300 plus thousand of them. Yeah. I wanted to look at those that have been actually harvesting. Well, it's the ant concept of the colony. Each and every one of yours, that has been manufactured because the sale of your egg, your genetics is what was used to make them, and you can be on all of them because you sold your eggs to have them made. Now, when you think of test tube babies, yes, I'm going to need to know all the ants of the colony forming unit known as the way of the family. Because somebody's really been doing a lot of experimentation with the manufacturing of lookalikes. Yes. So could you just kind of call around and find out how many dogs, yes, sold some of their eggs to make some quick money, and then realized, oh my gosh, that's one of mine. Yeah. Now this concept of selling body parts, let's say I sold a liver. There's a big black market for that, isn't there? Yeah. I sold my heart. Yes. I didn't need it. Why? I sold a kidney, one of my eyeballs. I sold half a nostril. Now, could you possibly find out, just call around to all of those that are belligerents? Yes. Is there a difference between the number of eggs that that the dogs have versus the number of eggs that actual women have. Yes. Now, this product of disinfectant concentration, I'm just concerned about what disinfectants they're using in the water supply. Yes, I know you're out there, you're scrubbing the pipes. A lot of rust in the water supply. Yeah, you're running, you're running microwaves through it. Yeah. Let's say you had some rusty pipes. Would that affect the actual heavy metals of the water supply? Yes. Then there's the electrothermal atomic absorption spectrometry, the electron capture, and the electron capture detector. Sounds real simple, doesn't it? Yeah. We're going to go out, we're going to capture just one electron of the actual water supply of the community. No. When I think about the size of an electron, exactly how does one of these detectors, how do they capture that? I think an electron is somewhat small when you really think about its size. Yes.